ko jonde ne mbaɗɗen rawande ɓuri jogori mawnoyde kadi ko jonde ne mbatten ko wuuri ko fayi ko nde tawno eɗen nganndi duuɓi ɗiɗi fof ɗen jogii renndo huɓtitiɗo ko woni assemblée général nden o jonde ne wayno ko jonde ɓuri hen heewde ko délégué ji ummiɓe e leyɗele goɗɗe jonde mbiɗa ɗamini nde mbannoɗen colombus walla ni duuɓi seeɗa cakkitiɗi ni haa ɓo e ujunnaaje tati haa fayi ujunnaaje tati temedɗi neɗɗo ɗum noon eɗen mbiyaɓe tan so ndende yontii kadi eɗen jaɓɓoo ɓe mbaawa wiide denndaangal renndo ngo kadi kamɓe ɗe belto heen so ɗum alaa eɗen jogii kadi woɓɓe ummaniiɓe en ɗo henne eɓe renndo ɓe eɗen jogii ɗo henne ɓe ngannduɗaa ko ummiiɓe ko haa New York ngari nootaade renndo ngo eɗen jogii kadi hoɓɓe ummiiɓe ɗo e ndeer wuro he ngari nootaade renndo ngo sibi Allah dokkinɓe junngo seeɗa kamɓe ne It is my pleasure to be your MC today. We're running out of time, but I would just very shortly and gladly introduce few people so we can go ahead and move on. We immigrants, we came from mostly Mauritania, Senegal, Mali, and Guinea, and a few other African countries. And we actually have in this country a few diplomatic representatives, and they gladly accepted our invitation today. It's really been very, very humble to be here today because we did not do anything special to get them here. It's actually just a few emails and phone calls to get them here. And I was really, really impressed by their commitment. When I talked to His Excellency Diab, when I talked to His Excellency Mr. Ba on the phone the other day, and also Dr. Abdullahi Job, who was very, very humble and handled very, very well communication between us. It's something we really appreciate and we want to give back today. It takes really a big commitment for His Excellency to drive from Washington, D.C. to Philadelphia. It's a commitment. And we want just to say that commitment is not going to be forgotten. And we want to give them a hand for being here today. It's a pleasure to have you. And we have people also who travel from New York City to come here to support us, like Delia. And we have people from the city of Philadelphia, because today is a very special day. It's the day after July 4th. It's the day that every American takes his family out to visit monuments and the most symbolic places in the United States. It takes a commitment to leave your family behind, to leave your friends, and all those places that mean a lot to you, to be here today for this special event. We just want to say thank you for that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you the President of Pulaar Speaking, Amadou Mamadou Diallo. Amadou is someone that I have known for a few years. Someone that I really trust because he's a true leader. He has led our organization for quite about 4 years, and we're thankful for the service, and we just want to say thank you again for the service. Amadou.